Okay guys, we are headed to the rental property. We've had a busy morning. We stopped off at Home Depot. We also stopped off at Chipotle. We're gonna have lunch at the property. But the plan for today is, again, just to get as much done as possible. But it looks like we're here, so let's get inside. All right, here we go. Another day, another day. So the first thing I do when I get here is get my dog set up. Now, whenever we go to Chipotle, we always just get one order and split it. So I'm still working on my Chipotle. Danny's in the front of the house, pressure washing. Let's see, he just got started. He swallows his food. Actually, let me go through the back because I think he's pressure. Yeah, he's starting in the front. We got this done. So this is what it looks like now.
Don't move. Don't move.
Alright, so I gotta get started. He's like, why do you keep leaving me? Stop going in and out the house. Stop doing it, mama. No, baby, you can't go outside. I'm not allowing him to go outside anymore because last time I was here, it was pretty scary. I took him back home and he was vomiting all night and into the morning. He wasn't doing good. And, you know, he's an old dog. And I felt so guilty. I was like, I was the one who let him out in the backyard. He probably ate something back there and I was feeling so guilty that I'm like, you know what, you're not going in the backyard. He's fine now. But that was really scary. Now time to change this nasty toilet seat. That's gonna be gross. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray pure bleach all around. So while that bleach is sitting in the nasty toilet, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check on the shower door. Last night we stayed here until it was after 8 and we sprayed this on the shower door. I've only used it once before at our home, so I'm not sure how well it works. It worked well in our home, but our glass shower wasn't that bad, so it worked well for that. Let's see how it works when your shower actually looks bad. So they actually did a really good job of cleaning the top part. It's just all the residue is really left at the bottom. So that's where the true test to see if this really works comes in. Let's see how well this works. Actually, look at that corner there. That's not, can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see this corner here. This right here. Yeah, actually, that's not too bad. And this is just a rag. A nasty rag, I might add. You know what? You know what? Hold on. This actually works really well. Look at this. Okay, that's actually really good. So this product has definitely made me a believer. I am loving it. Look at this. If I remember correctly, on the bottle it says you spray on and leave it for anywhere between 8 to 24 hours, but no more than 24 hours. We just found our new cleaning product that we will be using from now on. Look at that. It's nasty. Gross. Really disgusting. The shower door is complete. Not really, but it's getting there. There's still some areas at the bottom that need addressing, but otherwise, not bad. Yep, that stuff is really good. All right, let's go see what Danny's doing. It's looking good. I love to pressure wash. That's one of my favorite things. Pressure washing and landscaping, probably. But I got other things to do. Oh, ooh, that would have sucked. Time to put in this toilet seat. It's done, it's complete, it's beautiful. Time to move on to the next project. All right, let's see. Wow, it's looking good. Frame needs to be cleaned in here. But we're gonna get around to it, just, things take time. But look at how nice this looks. Wow, in the camera it doesn't look that nice, but I promise you it does. I was waiting for him to get this part done so I can finish screening, which I'm about to do now. Let me just put on some sunscreen and get started. All right, so I come in to get the screen and look at this. This isn't your screen, baby. It's not. Mommy needs the screen. That's Mama's screen. That's not your screen. You can get away with anything. I'm not even worried about you poking holes in there. I'm not even worried about it. It's okay. So we went to Lowe's, got the spline. Time to finish up my project from yesterday. I just have this side left to do. I have to finish this screen down here and this one on the left. So I'm still at it. I'm getting there. It's looking good. It just takes a lot of time. So when I do this, I don't really put the spline all the way in. It kind of almost sits on the surface somewhat, and then I push it in, afterwards. You see right here, you can tell how it's not in all the way, but over here it is. And then I just kind of push it in afterwards. See, and now it's all the way in. And then you can wait, and then I can roll it little by little. So before I put in that third screen, I'm actually going to clean the skylight and take care of the blinds here. I have to put up some blinds because there's a couple that are missing. But before I clean this area, I have to clean the ceiling first. By the way, I told you that I was going to let you know about the estimate, how much it was going to be to have the popcorn ceiling removed. The guy never got back with us. Weird. Forget about that estimate. I can get this popcorn off myself. I guess there's a benefit to having low ceilings. All right, time to do the other half. Look at this. Okay, I had to stop and pick up my phone so I can record this. Look at this. Okay, well that cannot be healthy to be breathing all this dust. My eyes already feel really irritated. And you know what I should do? I need to spray this area just to keep the dust down. Oh, Danny's starting in the backyard. Oh, you did this side already? Oh, he did this side already. All right, so this is what it looks like before, and we'll see what it looks like when he gets done with it.
Clean and ugly.
Yeah, it'll be clean and still ugly, but it can't be clean. Clean is important. It looks like it's dead, right? Danny, you seen it moving? You seen it moving?
Yeah, I seen it. I tried to get it, but it went behind the lamp. Then I seen it out there when you came in to clean the windows. I was sitting there waiting for it to see it.
And I did. Yeah. Oh, I guess a lizard doesn't just die on the wall, right? The doors, they're getting there. Actually, they look pretty good. First round of cleaning the doors. I didn't do the frames though, because I do want to tackle this down here, the track. Yes, the track. Wow, I thought this side opened. It doesn't open, but look at all of this. That's definitely dog hair. Yeah, and judging by all that poop in the backyard, yeah, it's coming back to me. They did have a dog. I got as much dirt, dust, dog hair. I got as much out as possible on that side. Time to do this side. Okay, I could probably get the rest of it up with a brush, a wire brush. Oh my gosh. I'm about to get started working on these blinds. I need to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to size, and it's looking like these 3 have little chips in them. Oh, these 4. Okay, 4, 6, so 10. All right, so I pulled one blind down just so I can use it as a guide to cut the rest. The blinds are up. Apparently I forgot to press record. You see the ceiling fan? Watch this. Watch this. And this is what this ceiling fan looks like. You see? Oh my gosh. All right. I'm actually not gonna do this now because the dust is really getting to me. I'm going to find another project to do. Okay, I found my project. It's gonna be this. Yesterday I noticed that when, oh, this has to go up too. So we had to clean this yesterday too. This is for the exhaust. That's what we were doing last night. Oh, and we sprayed the X14 up here last night, and this is how it looks. Yeah, this is what it looks like now. And this is what it looked like before. Okay, but I noticed that this piece was missing. Gotta put this in. So this is one I haven't seen before. It's magnetic. Magnetic stopper. I've never heard of a magnetic stopper. No rod in, flow path eliminates clogs. Okay, I prefer the rod in. That's what I thought I was getting. Oh man, I'm having deja vu. Okay. Oh, okay. I hope I'm not tightening it. It feels like I am. Let me go the other way. Which way is giving me less resistance? Oh, this one was to the right. Okay. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. Not in this case. Not in this case. We're turning to the right. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got it, you see? Praise the Lord, hallelujah. This is net. Ooh, 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 look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. It's like cheese, like dark cheese. That's a better view right there. Look at that. Alrighty, I should have been recording that. You guys would have probably been interested to see what I just pulled out of there. The simplest thing you're trying to get done sometimes can just take forever. So, I don't like the fact that this is magnetic. I don't feel comfortable with it because I've never worked with it. I'm about to see if it works. Please work, please work, please work, please work, please work, please work. Oh man, that sucks. Okay, wait, maybe. Oh, so frustrating. So what I'm hoping is that I didn't put this ball down far enough, and that maybe this piece here, the magnetic piece, isn't catching maybe this bowl needs to go down further. I'm gonna try that. Let's see. All right, so I pushed it down a lot farther, and yeah, let me push it down just a little more, just to see if that's what it is. It has to be something simple, because I'm putting this on nice and loose, probably not even straight, just because I just want to see if it works, and then if it does, then I'll tighten it and put more tape. All right, let me just see if that catches. Okay. Oh, that works. Oh, that does work. I still don't like it though. I don't feel comfortable with that, but it works. All right, so I'm going to remove it, put some more tape just to make sure it doesn't leak, and then tighten that nut.
Okay, I got just a few of the branches I can reach with my ladder and my chainsaw thing. The blade chain went off a bit. I have to fix that, but I got like a few of them off. There's a lot here, and that's just a few of them that need to be off. Obviously up here, those are touching the house. You can't have that. This is a few of them. It looks better than it did though. Okay, let's see what Mindy's been up to. Okay. Well, I was outside doing all the work. What have you been doing? I'm just kidding.
No, I was able to put this in. This is a lot different from the ones we usually get.
Mm-hmm.
I prefer the other ones. I don't like these.
Yeah. What is that? What are you putting in?
Well, what?
What were you putting in?
This piece here.
Oh, okay. The drain.
Yeah, I'm just making sure that it's not leaking because I can't tell whether or not I put that bolt in an angle.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I did, but I just want to make sure that that's not the case. It connects magnetically, which I guess it just takes some getting used to. I guess it's just the fact that it's something different.
Right.
But that's for dinner tonight.
What? Yeah. Speaking of dinner, I need to pick up the junk so we can go.
All right,
I got a lot of stuff out there to pick up.
I think we're good.
Okay.
Okay. So my eyes and my allergies cannot take all of this dust here. I am not going to clean that fan or that other nasty light over there. What I'm going to do is screen this front area. I cannot wait to get home. I need to flush my eyes, take a shower, wash my hair. Oh, can't wait. He's cutting branches off of this huge tree over here in the front. So we figure cut these now so they can go out with the yard waste, and then cut more later so we don't have a ton of yard waste they refuse to take.